Hi. Creating a unique product video for every Shopify item quickly becomes repetitive and expensive. This n8n workflow finds eligible Shopify products and turns their existing images and product information into branded vertical videos with Zvid. It can also publish each finished video to the correct Shopify product. The workflow supports manual and scheduled execution, free validation, an editor review link, an exact credit estimate, bulk rendering, and an optional Shopify publishing stage. It uses only built-in n8n nodes, so it works on n8n Cloud and self-hosted n8n without installing community nodes. For this demonstration, I have an active product with 4 images, a price, several size options, and a description. It has no existing video and no Zvid video tag, so it is eligible for processing. The workflow can use up to 4 images and map the product title, price, description bullets, sizes, vendor, product type, and storefront URL into the video design. Authentication requires 2 credentials. First, create a Shopify header authentication credential and set its header name to x-Shopify-access-token. Paste the access token returned by Shopify. Do not paste the client ID or client secret directly. You can find the complete token exchange instructions in the workflow notes. The second credential is for Zvid. Set the header name to x-API key. Then open the Zvid API keys page at app.zvid.io, create a key, and give a recognizable name. Copy the key, paste it into the credential, and save it. All other workflow settings are centralized in the config node. Start with shop domain, the store subdomain without .myshopify.com. The default product query selects active products that do not have the Zvid video process tag. Scan limit controls how many products are inspected, while max products limits how many videos can be created in one execution. The default maximum is 5. The remaining branding options include the company name, website, headings, call to action, colors, fonts, music, timing, frame rate, and resolution. The 2 most important safety settings are dry run, which defaults to true, and publish to Shopify, which defaults to false. These settings prevent accidental credit usage or Shopify changes. I will begin with a manual dry run. The workflow queries Shopify, removes products that already have usable video, and verifies that each selected product has a public image and a priced variant. Validation returns the credits required per video, the total for the selected batch, and the approximate duration. In this example, the product video will be about 12.6 seconds. Because dry run mode is enabled, this execution does not start a render or spend render credits. Instead, it saves the first resolved product as an editor draft. The result includes the editor link, warnings, skip products, and the full batch quote. Let's copy the editor link and review the video in the Zvid editor. If anything needs adjustment, I can return to config and change the copy, colors, fonts, timing, images, or resolution before spending credits. After approval, I will set dry run to false. Running it again now renders the video, while published to Shopify remains false. The finished video is ready for review before it is added to Shopify. After approval, I set Publish to Shopify to True. Let's run the workflow once more. The execution completes successfully. The video has been generated and sent to Shopify. I will refresh the product page. The video is now published successfully. That completes the automated product video workflow.